Many cryptocurrency wallets offer the ability to customize network fees, commonly known as gas fees, and Bifrost Wallet is one of them. Understanding this feature is essential for efficient transaction management. When initiating a transaction in the Bifrost Wallet, whether you are sending crypto or interacting with a decentralized application, you will arrive at a confirmation screen that includes details about the network fee. This fee is typically set to a default, often labeled as normal. To adjust this fee, you simply need to tap on the network fee option. This will present you with options for fee rates. Look for the custom option, which allows you to manually input your desired fee rate. For networks like Bitcoin, this rate is entered in Satoshis per byte. By using the custom setting, you gain control over how quickly your transaction is processed. A higher fee can incentivize network validators to prioritize your transaction, leading to faster confirmation times. Conversely, a lower fee will save you money but may result in a slower confirmation, especially when the network is busy. This customization is a powerful tool. Bifrost Wallet also provides features to speed up or cancel transactions that are still unconfirmed by broadcasting a new transaction with a higher fee or a modified address, respectively. This comprehensive fee management allows users to optimize their transactions based on urgency and cost.